Pete.
And I'm Banana.
And we're doing a puppet show. I'm going to tell you the puppet's name and age, okay? This is Mario. He is 29 years old. This is Mariah. She's 3 years old. This is Maya. She's 1. This is Andy. She's 40. This is SB. She is 11. And this is MK, and she's 12.
Okay, hi. I'm going to be recording today. Children, come here. Recording.
Children do not need to come in the living room right now. They're taking them out. Okay, let's continue.
I love you. You love me. We're one happy family with a great kiss from me to you. Don't you say you love me too? You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. Let's run away and don't ever look back down. Put you in your face. Oh my God! Okay. I'm gonna kill you, Stop! Oh yeah. Goodbye.
Mom, Dad, you need to get a room. Oh, no, honey, it is okay. Get a room, Mom. Mariah, go to your room. No, get you. Shut up, Mariah. God, free. Now, children, we can all get along now. I'm your mother, and you should know. Goodbye.
Bye. That was a good puppet show.